Happy birthday, Rukmini.
Thank you so much.
Boomerang has completed 25 days. It was your birthday a couple of days back. Please tell us, how is the celebration going and how long is it going to continue?
It's a good one. I think it's still continuing my birthday celebrations.
Yeah.
This time, of course, I spent it with my friends and family as usual. But the special part was that I spent it with my fans this year. I made it a point to go see them, the ones watching the movie and the ones who keep supporting me throughout the year. So my audiences, my fans, and at the same time, I think this is one of my most special, most memorable of birthdays because we just completed 25 days of Boomerang, and the kind of love that we've received over these 25 years, ever since actually the teaser released and then the trailer and now the film, I think it's overwhelming is an understatement to express what I'm feeling at the moment, but I feel it's most definitely an extension of my birthday today, the fact that we are celebrating the 25 years of Boomerang. So this is, if you ask me what has been my biggest Boomerang moment in life, it has to be this very beautiful moment where Boomerang has become such a huge success.
Love how it was you becoming an actor at the trailer launch and now it's this,
Yeah.
your biggest Boomerang.
Yeah.
So like, we all know that you love cake.
Yeah, yes. Of course.
Tell us about your favorite bakery around the world. What's your favorite place to have cake from?
There are plenty. I mean, of course, I love a good chocolate cake, but one of my favorite places in Calcutta, if you ask me, I think if it's Calcutta, then I love Little Pleasures. I think it's a classic. But one of the bakeries which I used to love was Mrs. Magpie. I loved their food. Like, I'm so sad that it's no more. It's shut down. I love Cookie Jar, so I still keep ordering for that. I think Cookie Jar is one of those places people around the world they want to eat at Cookie Jar. So why promote what you get around the world? You must promote what is here, which everybody around the world wants to eat. So my friends from Mumbai are like, you must get something from Cookie Jar.
Yeah.
So all of these places, they are my favorites, and I love my whenever I'm on a diet and stuff like that. But I love the stuff at the Daily Cafe. It's one of my friends. It's Urvika's, and I love her stuff. I love her spread, everything. So these are my few of my favorite things.
And quickly, what did you choose to wear on your birthday this year?
It's usually most of the times it's what my mum gets for me, and actually my niece is the one who picks my clothes out. So one of these days I was wearing this sequins, I think a quad skirt and shirt, and the next day I was wearing this red gown, and even during the afternoon my niece Myra and I, we coordinated these shirts and everything, so we were kind of switching it out and matching and kind of trying to twin. So I think it's not just about the clothes, it's about the memories that you make. The clothes help remember that, okay, in this outfit I have done this, so that's about it. But then I think it's about feeling beautiful from the inside, and that's what I did because I'm really happy. So whoever's complimented me on social media saying I was looking nice and all of those things, but it's because I was truly so happy being with my friends and family and of course my fans.
Apart from 25 days of Boomerang being completed, what was the best present you received this year? What has been the best present you've received over the years?
I think I can specifically talk about this year. Was I got to spend this year with my grandparents, my maternal grandparents, my Dida and Dadu. So that's usually people expect a lot of fancy pictures, but what I uploaded was the one with my grandparents because I cannot celebrate my birthday without my parents and my family being around. And I've always been used to celebrating it with my grandparents. But ever since COVID, they have never stepped out of their houses. And after 4 years, they actually said that no more, we can't be at home anymore, and we're going to come and celebrate Rukmini's birthday as we used to before COVID. So after 4 long years, they stepped out of their houses for the first time just for my birthday to come bless me, celebrate with me and dance the night away with me. So that was super special.
Lovely. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.